Hello, dear friend. As you settle into this moment, let us invite the presence of God to wash over you. In Psalm chapter 147, verse 3, God promises He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. You are His beloved child, and He is ready to heal every part of your body, mind, and spirit. Let His love flow over you as we begin this sacred time of renewal. Begin by taking a deep breath. Breathe in the peace of God. And slowly breathe out, letting your breath settle. Know that you are in the presence of the Almighty who cares deeply for you. Feel your body loosen and begin to relax. Trust that God is at work within you. Now visualize His healing power beginning at your toes. His warm and loving energy touches every part of your feet. God's presence is releasing tension, pain, and discomfort from this part of your body. With each breath, feel His love move upward, flowing through your legs, releasing any pain or stress as He heals you from within. Now direct your attention to your hips and lower back. Visualize God's healing power pouring into these areas. You are safe in His presence. And as you let go of the tension, His healing love is flowing freely through you. It's restoring what was once broken. Every cell, every muscle, and every bone is being renewed by His touch. Imagine His healing moving through your chest, your heart, your lungs. God's love is filling every organ with vitality. Release any physical pain you feel, trusting fully in His ability to heal your body. His love flows into you just as He fills every drop of water in the oceans. Let go of any remaining pain or fear as you enter deeper into the presence of God. Feel His presence, His peace, and love surrounding you. Visualize His light filling your body from the top of your head to the tips of your fingers. Let this light wash over you, cleansing and renewing every part of your being. God's healing energy is not just physical, but spiritual. As you continue to breathe deeply, know that His power is healing every cell, every fiber. His love, like waves of water, pour into you. You are being transformed by His touch. Feel His renewal from within. God's love and healing power are making you whole. With each breath, your body and spirit are being restored. Pain is leaving, and in its place, peace and vitality flow. Visualize every part of your body, your toes, your legs, your chest, your arms, alive with the presence of God. You are being completely healed by your healer. You are renewed, transformed, and filled with God's peace. You are whole, loved, and fully restored. As this meditation comes to a close, dear one, take a deep breath and let it out slowly. Let God's peace remain in your heart. Know that His healing power continues to work in you. And as you move through the rest of your day, you are walking in divine renewal and strength. You are healed. You are restored. Amen.